Hey everyone, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Polus winter gear skin from Among Us. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out the link in the description box below. And remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the face shield. Start with the horizontal line for the top and curve it downwards on the right. On the left side, draw a line down and then curve it inwards slightly at the bottom. Close off the bottom now with a line across. Now let's draw the head, but we're only going to draw the sides to leave room for the hat. From the top right of the face shield, draw a small curved line up and in. Now let's draw the left side of the head. Starting at the same level as the top of the face shield, draw a line down here like this. Okay, now let's draw the hat. On the top of the line we just drew, draw a short line across. On the right side, draw an upside down V shape here. Then draw a curve up to the right, back down to meet the head, and continue it out a little bit further. Now let's hop back to the left side of the hat and draw a line up. Then a curve up to the right. Next, draw a horizontal line in. Then curve it up like this. Continue the line across with a little dip down and curve it back down to meet the bottom of the hat. Next, for the top part of the hat, on the left side, draw a line up and then angle it up and in. Then curve it up, over, and back down like this. We're done with the hat now, let's draw the body. Under the left side of the head, leave a gap for the fur collar of his coat, and then draw a line down like this. Do the same thing on the right side, but make this line shorter. Let's draw the legs now. Hop back over to the left side, and at the bottom of the line, draw a curved line across for the bottom of the foot. Draw a short line down here for the other side of the leg. At the top of this line, draw a curved line across for the bottom of the body. Then draw the other leg the same way. Now let's draw the outfit. From the top of the left body line here, draw a curved line inwards, stopping about halfway across the body. Do the same thing on the right side, but with a short line. From the right line, draw a diagonal line down to the bottom like this. Then for the left line, do the same thing, but we're going to stop a little bit further up. Now slightly below the top of the jacket, draw a curved line across for the top of the shirt. Now let's draw the fur on the collar. Starting from the left side, draw bumpy lines up to fill in the gap and then curve it in and downwards like this. On the right side, do the same thing to fill the gap. Now across the bottom where the legs meet the body, draw a curved line across. Next, draw curved lines across each leg. Lastly, draw a rounded rectangular shape on the back for the backpack. And that's it for this winter gear skin. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.